Hello, in today's video I want to make a birthday card for my wife out of this white cardboard. I'm gonna first kind of sketch out what I want on this paper, so let's get started. I sketched designs that I find interesting. Originally, I was going to make all of this raised, but I found it was quite difficult to cut out of cardboard. So I changed the idea to only having a few elements raised. I'm using a pencil called the Palomino Blackwing. It's got a nice soft lead and a really nice replaceable eraser. I scribed just partway through so as to not cut my drawing board, and then I flip it over to cut the rest of the piece. I tried transferring the drawing with the knife cutting through the paper. Although it was more difficult than I anticipated, it worked well enough. This is where I discovered that cutting the cardboard into complex shapes wasn't going to work for me. Geppetto always has to come see what's going on. Using blue in the shadows works great. It gives it a transition from cool to warm and keeps the colors from looking too muddy like you might get if you used black. I tried to use the thickness and the wetness of the paint to mimic the characteristics of frosting. This coarse hoghair brush works great to sketch in some white to give the blue border some depth. And a little black in the shadows also adds to the sense of depth. Well, there it is. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And if you feel like it, please consider hitting the like button or leaving a comment.